Did your car suddenly start running terribly rough, and you suspect it might be dumping raw fuel directly into your engine? A leaking fuel injector is a serious problem that can quickly destroy your engine internals. You are probably looking at diagnostic trouble code P02A9, which stands for cylinder 4 injector leaking. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to many modern vehicles. Your engine relies on precise fuel injectors to spray an exact amount of atomized gas into each cylinder. The engine computer monitors the exhaust oxygen sensors and crankshaft position to detect if a specific cylinder is running too lean or too rich. When the computer determines that the injector on cylinder number 4 is physically leaking fuel when it should be closed, it sets this severe code. A leaking injector is incredibly dangerous. The symptoms will be very obvious. You will feel severely diminished engine performance and experience random engine misfires. Your fuel efficiency will drop drastically, and you might even smell raw gas coming from your exhaust pipe. The computer will also likely store lean exhaust codes as it tries to compensate for the malfunction. The most common cause is simply a defective, mechanically stuck, or physically leaking fuel injector on cylinder 4. It could also be caused by a shorted electrical circuit keeping the injector open, or occasionally, a bad oxygen sensor giving the computer false data. To tackle this at home, start with a visual inspection. Locate the fuel injector for cylinder 4 on the fuel rail. Look closely for any signs of wet fuel or heavy corrosion around the base of the injector. If it is wet on the outside, the seals are blown and it needs replacing. Next, start the engine and use an automotive stethoscope to listen to the injector. You should hear a sharp, consistent clicking sound. If the sound is very weak, strained, or non-existent compared to the other injectors, it is likely clogged or failing internally. You can also use a digital volt-ohm meter to verify that the injector is getting constant 12-volt battery power and a pulse ground signal from the engine computer. When is it time to stop and take your car to a mechanic? If you need to replace the injector but do not feel comfortable depressurizing the high-pressure fuel system, you should let a professional handle it. Spilling high-pressure fuel on a hot engine is a massive fire hazard. A mechanic can also perform advanced injector balance tests using a professional scanner to confirm the diagnosis before replacing expensive parts. Get that leak fixed before it ruins your engine.